made it to the AVI here in Laughlin, Nevada. Let's start off with the big ones. Show you guys 169 Mad Jester, WTF for 89, Make It Rain for 229. That's 159 down there. 199 for Nuclear Destruction. See the price on that? Oh, $69 right there. So I'm not gonna go over every price, you guys, because they have a lot of stuff. It's a small little store, but it's pretty packed in here. These are 40 bucks. 40, 40, 49, $39. Trying to show you guys what's going on. I have a whole bunch of stuff down here. Swing through and grab this shelf. 84 bucks. The Chronic is $80. Hillbilly Blast Great Cake, 65. One of my favorite cakes right here is Liquid Sunshine. It's 99 bucks. One of my big fireworks. You guys, something about big fireworks is you can't find this out here in Pahrump. This stuff's kind of hard to come by. I think big is really quality stuff. So we got up here. So 74 for that. Old Town Road, 44 bucks for a 500 gram cake. 54 bucks. Got this one on the channel. Liquid Sunshine. That's 75. So we got some assortments out here in the front. Some swords, some assortments. Things up here. Some more right here. Alright. 149. Some color lanterns. Roman candles. Oh, we got the big ones down here. How much are these Roman candles going for? Packs 59, 18 bucks. Here we go, $15.99. Let's see. These are new. These little private party. Whole bunch of little stuff in there. They're 40 bucks. For a little private party. We got half bricks, full bricks, super snaps, you guys. Thunder bomb crackler. Saturn missiles down here. That's $24 for a 300 shot. It looks like 100 shots are 30 bucks. We'll go over the shells here in a minute. This is $5.69 for all of these right here. Death Wish assortment. Alright, see what we got going on here. Crackling skulls, whole bunch of overflow. Mighty Cobra, $12.99. So kind of show you guys the price. Color pink. I got the crackling skulls here, 24. Dog pound for $14.99, 22 bucks. Red, white, and bang, 19 bucks. Point break for $22. Wow, $10.99, 24, 20 bucks. Whole bunch of cakes down here, you guys. These are $25 cakes. 24. So yeah, I'm out here at the AVI. We got a big train fountain for $11.99. Huge fountain here. But that's not the price, $10.99. Big crackling fountain. These are huge fountains down here, $40. $10.19. So these are some of the fountains they got. They got Top Gun out here. That's my first time seeing Top Gun on the West Coast. I don't think I've ever seen that anywhere else. Swim Shady. Alright, 20 bucks. I always miss these rockets when I come here. But they got the big bombs right here, you guys. Little backpacks. They got some more rockets right here. Oh, the neighbor haters, I got these ones last time I was here. They got a big old pack of rockets right here. The drones. And they got some more assortments right here, you guys. And this is literally like a convenience store if you guys want to see. Literally a convenience store with a whole bunch of fireworks. So you got the morning glories, all of the novelties, all the little stuff, all the good stuff. Little zippers, $1.89 a pack. Ground balloons were hard to get for a while there. Looks like they're back. Crackle balls. So here we go. Now we'll get into like the ball shells and canister shells and stuff like that. They got the bomb down here. Got these ones down here, 49 bucks. They got a special right here hanging, 2 for 49 actually. So that's cool. More fountains, bomb squad. I wanted to check these out and see what these are compared to high times. I think these are 5-inch and high times are 6-inch. And they look like they're sold out of the high times. They got the Insanity 6-inch shells. Oh no, 5-inch. So I'm gonna need to check these out and put these on the channel. Goldzilla, highly recommend these. See, these are nice shells, nice ring shells. I haven't done the 5-inch neons. Nice radioactive thunder. These are 200 bucks, but they're quality shells. The Kraken, same thing. I haven't done the HG shells. They have this assortment right here. Hyper Pyro. They got the Pro shells down there for $1.99. And then I don't know if I went over these are more like budget cakes right here, like 35 for some 500 gram cakes. All these are 35 bucks. So I think that's very reasonable priced. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. 40 bucks also for a 500 gram cake. If you're out in the Lake Havasu area, Bullhead City, this is your fireworks spot for sure if you want aerials. But yeah, just did a real quick walkthrough, you guys. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. They got some new product out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to burn that like button. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for checking it out.